The next one is help. So with your dominant hand, you're going to have an A and then put the thumb out like this. And then your non-dominant hand is going to be in a closed 5 and then help. Help. And just go up like this. Help. Or you might see somebody just kind of touch their hand like this. Help. That might be a variation depending on regional differences, preferences. Help. Now the next one incorporates the word help by asking, need help? Maybe point to them, need. With an X with your dominant hand, that's going to be your pointer finger bent like this, X, and then up and down. Need help? And you might point to them as well. Do you need help?